All right, so today we're going to learn how to make pinch pots. And our pinch pots are basically a vessel of clay that you take a ball of clay and you pinch with your fingers to spread the clay out to make it into a bowl or a glass shape, a vase, a dish, something like that. So the idea is that you pinch the clay to get that effect. And I'm going to show you a few different examples. So this is one I generally do in my classes. It's not too difficult. We make a small pinch pot, and then we take clay and make another small pinch pot, and then we attach them together, put a little band around the bottom and some beads, and we stamp them on there. This one also has carving along that part there. And the top is, the shape has been changed, and I'll try to remember to show you how to do all these different types of things. This is another one. Now this shape is a lot harder to get it to close up at the top. This one, as I made it, what I did was I would cut out a V wedge of clay, and then I would bring the clay back together and seal it up, so it kept bringing the top in and making it smaller. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this for your first one, but if you wanted to try, you're more than welcome to. This one is a lot thinner than this one here. Okay, and then the base on this one was a coil of clay, like a snake or a rope that I rolled out. I rolled it out flat, and then I wrapped it around, and I kind of twisted around itself and sealed it. By scoring, slipping, and adding welding, I sealed it to the bottom of it to make a nice little base. This one has a pedestal base. And then this is another one. I wanted to see what I could do with just 1 pound of clay and what it would make and kind of how much it would weigh when it was all done. So this is one that was a test for that, but this was a small pinch pot where I took the clay and I pinched and pinched, so I made it more like a little dish shape. And then also I stamped the surface with the top of an acorn on both sides to give it a really cool texture. And then I made little legs that are kind of like horns, so it would sit up kind of high like that. Okay. When you make feet or legs for a piece, if you make 3, it's always going to sit, it's a tripod, it's always going to sit level, or at least all the legs will touch. If you make 4 legs or more, generally you're going to have legs, unless you get it just perfect, where it's going to have a little wobble to it. So 3 is a really nice number to have. You can do 4 or more, you just have to really work it to make sure that everything fits perfectly. All right, so I'm going to show you a few more examples on some pieces that I have saved, and then we'll come back and learn how to make our pinch pots after that.